Okay, so we use the p tag, gave the p tag an ID text, and we gave CSS, we style the p tag, gave it a margin of 20 px. Let's give it 10. Then we add the span tag inside the p tag to decorate the 30% over here. Then we close the p tag finally. So the span tag is a tag that can decorate a text inside the paragraph tag. So let me save it and go back to browser, check it. Okay. I think I reduced the margin top now. Save it now. So this is done. So we need a button here to show calculate. So let's take Bootstrap button. Bootstrap has its own button by default. And it has button style as well. The button, so we need this one. Button primary, and that's this first one. Button primary, PTN primary, that's the color. So just copy this one. So the button is going to stay inside this. Okay. Right. So change it to calculate. All right, so my form height is, okay, no understand. Okay, we're using 200, it's just maybe 300. So much, but I'm just want us to use it, supposed to use 250. Okay, that's much. My button is obviously managed to save. Oh shit, 250. Okay, 250. So now this whole form, we are going to flex it so that you can push it one side and the result will be on the other side. I don't know how many minutes I've used because of the time, to be honest. So I assume I have 15 minutes. So flexing is very important, but to flex things, you have to box them so that you can be able to demarcate them or put them side by side. You understand? Now, these elements here, you can box. This is a box. This is another box. So if I create a div here, becomes a new box. So if I flex this parent, that means 1, 2, and 3 will be side by side. But if I want to eliminate this guy from the list, that means I need to create a div to wrap these two items as child element to a parent. So it means I will do div. I will close this here. Then I will come down under this div to close it because I want to have a parent that is going to house these two children, two boxes, form and div. So the reason I'm creating this div is just to give the answer, just to display the answer. So I can flex this parent by going to CSS, create a row for parents. Set display to flex. So go back, check it. Okay, so you can see calculate tax, enter salary, answer is right beside. All right, so we need to add a space between them. So can use this and say justify content space between. So space between. You can see that the two elements are floating. I can reduce the width of that parent so that it will bring them close. Okay, so I can now reduce the width because it's stretching to the end of the page. I can reduce the width to 400 px. Save it. Share it. Yeah, refresh it. So they're a bit close. Then I can finally center. I can finally center them. Okay. To align items center. So let me refresh. Okay, align items. Okay, so then who is holding them? Who is holding all of them? It's this guy, text align center. So let's use the margin from the left to move the. Let's move this a margin of 150 px from the left. Let's move the parent box from the left. Okay. So here we'll display the answer. This is where we are going to type our salary. So it's 50,000, 500,000. Then you can click on this button to run the calculation with this, then to display the answer here. So this is what we're going to do. We can add a board, left border here to demarcate, but I just want us to stop here. So we know that we have done it up to this point. So the next point is to do the JavaScript. You understand? I don't know if you have any questions to ask.
No, I don't have any question. But when can you push the video so that I can also go over?
I can do that now, so you get the video.
Okay, that's
Then I have one other, the video for the last class, I still have one. So let me push it too. So that
Then,
one is
if
for
possible, all the previous videos, if you can have them together so that it will be easy to go over them one after the other.
Okay. I can do a playlist on what we have already. They add some videos. So if you go through that my YouTube, you can click on playlist, JavaScript playlist, Bootstrap playlist, HTML playlist. So you see I'll arrange them.
Okay, that will
So
make sense.
all right. No problem. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, boss, I appreciate it.